Hello traders. So let's draw some resistance lines, SNR lines now for tomorrow. Just select three charts: OD, GPY, then Euro USD. I think Euro USD we will select because Euro USD is one of my favorite charts. So okay, let's zoom out. Okay, you can see the market is not so good right when it's closing. You can see that. See, so let's change the time frame into 10 minutes. Okay, you can see big wicks. That is not a good sign, good market conditions, even though we are drawing the lines. Let's draw the line on the top. Okay, you can see you can see the lines on the top. If you see the chart, that is not so good, but still we are drawing the line. Big wicks on 10 minutes time frame. So let's note this resistance if you want to trade on reversals tomorrow. Very higher chance to reverse when it touches the first, and you can see another level in between these two levels. You can see that is pretty strong. So very higher chance to reverse from this level when the market touches the level for the first time. Let's change it into 1 minute again. Okay, so when the markets tomorrow when touching these levels, very higher chance to reverse. There is no chance to break out in first attempt. So the next one, OD JPY chart. Let's change it into 10 minutes. Okay, delete the previous horizontal lines. Okay, let's draw now. You can see the lines. I don't know why I can't move that lines. Okay, let's draw another line by deleting. Okay, on the top as usual, that is the strongest resistance for tomorrow. And the bottom. Okay, here you can see there is a big wick, there is a big area of rejection, so do not trade in between that particular price. The center, you can see the big wick, so never trade in between that price. Just ignore it or skip it if you are trading tomorrow. Okay, just zoom it out, then I can. Okay, okay, there is three lines now, I mean three SNR levels now, but do not trade on the center one. the SNR level in the center. Only trade the upper, and I think the strongest level is in the bottom. You can see as I drawing right now, that is the strongest support for tomorrow. So do not trade in this particular area. So another one is JGP, the another chart. Let's also change it into 10 minutes time frame. Also the last candle is having a big wick. Okay, it's look pretty good candle. So this particular level is the strongest level. Okay, this area will act as a strongest level on the upper level. Okay, so there are two strong levels I drawn right now. So here you can see it's look like a fake breakout in the end in 1 minute chart. You can see, I will zoom it out. Okay, you can see there look like a fake breakout. Hope you see it. So let's consider this area to as a support. So consider this whole three lines as a strong support tomorrow, and thank you. All the best.